So crypto has been getting some fame after being dormant for the past 2 years. In this video, we'll look at some ways we can earn passive income with crypto. Let's go! A very warm welcome to the channel. Great to see your smiling faces again. And if you are new to the channel, hello. So in today's video, we're looking to cover some ways we can use cryptocurrencies or crypto to earn some passive income, because this is what this whole channel is about. My portfolio of cryptocurrencies has shrunk significantly because right now I'm holding only a couple of coins as compared to before we were holding a lot more. And as always, before you guys put any money into any kind of investment, please do your own research, because there is always a chance that you might lose some money. In the crypto universe, there are plenty of ways to earn passive income that require little to no effort. Be connected! But on the flip side, you'll need to be constantly up to date with the news because the crypto market moves very, very quickly.
My name is PewDiePie. I'm the fastest man alive.
As you can see, prices of Bitcoin move very quickly. Dips comes almost every other day, and therefore one of the criteria you need to have is to be up to speed with potential hypes or potential news. So we'll look at a few ways to earn crypto, the pros, the cons involved with each way as well. As always, I'll leave all the links to all the resources mentioned in this video down in the description below so that you can ensure you are going to the right side and not getting up in a scam site. So the first way to earn some passive income with crypto is called mining. I think this is something that is not new, but it was very popular in the past. So what happens with mining is that you are supporting the network with computing power. So this helps to approve transactions that are done on the blockchain. For example, on the Ethereum network, if you are farming for Ethereum, you will get Ethereum. And because you're supplying computing power to the network, you get paid in whatever tokens you are mining for. And basically what you need is to purchase a mining rig or miners, plug in some power, and it'll start churning out cryptos for you. But there are problems with this type of earning as well, because the rate of mining cryptocurrency has increased significantly. In the past, you could mine cryptocurrencies very quickly, but right now it takes a lot more computing power to mine 1 Ethereum as compared to 2 years ago. Or you probably need to have a lot more miners or a lot more machines to mine for 1 Ethereum within a certain specific time. So the benefit of mining cryptocurrencies is that you have an army of machines working day in and day out for you, mining cryptocurrencies, a bit like slave driving, and they won't complain.
Tomorrow, I shall get my very first slave.
But the bad side of this is that the initial investment is really high, because miners cost anywhere from $1,500 all the way to $3,000 per machine, and you probably need about 31 machines to profit 1 Ethereum a day, and that is right after the cost of electricity as well as space. So the second way to earn passive income with cryptocurrencies is called day trading. Unlike the stock market, the crypto market never sleeps. Sounds a bit like Citibank, but
that's why Citi never sleeps.
Yeah. It operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Like the stock market, things move very quickly because the market never closes, and at any point of time when a piece of news comes out, the price of the token or the coin will react very violently, and that is where people start making money. And nowadays there are so many exchanges around, be it centralized exchanges, decentralized exchanges. All these places hold their risk as well. I have left links of my favorite exchange in the description down below. It's probably one of the cheapest and the most reputable one around. Because the crypto market is very volatile, there are always opportunities to buy low and sell high. But right now, there are a lot of new functions, like you're able to short BTC with 100 times leverage and etc. The other pros is that all of these exchanges are mobile based and you can do it at any time and anywhere. However, one of the greatest challenges in day trading with crypto is getting crypto. With so many sites out there that are scammy, it's really hard to tell if a certain exchange is a scam or is it just a cowboy that flies by night.
I'm a cowboy.
So if you're in Singapore, one of the most common exchange that I use to buy with Sing dollars into cryptocurrencies is CoinHako. Definitely it's not the fastest at withdrawal, but it gets the job done. The third way to earn money with crypto is through staking. So what staking does is by holding a parent token. For example, if you're holding VET in the VeChain wallet like I do, you get VTOR every single day. And the simple way of compounding this is by selling your VTOR and to purchase more VETs, and that way you compound your earnings. However, with the introduction of DeFi, There are many liquidity pools out there and swap pools out there. One of the platforms that I'm using is Beefy. So basically what Beefy does is it stakes your token. In this case, I'm staking Pancake token with Beefy. And it pays you a percentage because you're providing liquidity to the pool. And right now the APY is something like 2000%, which is really crazy.
Alright, check this out. This is crazy.
So let's look at some of the pros and the cons of staking. Because of staking, you're generating more tokens every day, which means that everyone else who is staking just like you will be generating tokens as well. And these people can sell those generated tokens for other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, BAT, whatever token there is. And this means that when there are more supply of tokens in the market, prices tend to drop a lot lower. However, on the flip side, this method of earning passive income is very cool because there is very little involvement on your end, which means that there is no need for you to trade, there's no need for you to manage anything at all. The last way you can earn passive income is to lend out cryptocurrencies. So there are quite a few platforms that will pay you interest for putting your cryptos with them, and one of the platforms that I'm using today is called Crypto.com or Monaco previously. It pays me a weekly interest by putting my Bitcoin there with them, where they lend out this Bitcoin for USD to every other user. However, recently I chanced upon another platform which pays a higher interest, and I might be switching over very soon. So with lending, think of yourself as a bank lending money or cryptocurrencies, in this case to people, and they'll pay you an interest because of the money you have lent out to them. Pretty cool, I'm like a mini bank. So the pros about lending out cryptocurrencies is that if you have cryptocurrencies lying around doing nothing much, it's a good way to earn extra interest on that token itself. So like I have Bitcoin, I lend it out and I still get a little bit of Bitcoin every single week. However, do take note that these platforms are centralized most of the time and there are chances of data breaches, hacking, company folding, and etc. Nonetheless, there are plenty of ways to earn money with cryptocurrencies, but these are the 4 ways that I've been doing personally. And in this unregulated space, risks are really high. Sometimes you gotta take a little bit of risk in life. Like they say, fortune favors the bold. In life, without a little bit of risk, what's there to life? And I hope this video has given you extra knowledge on what other ways you can use to earn money with your cryptocurrencies. If you've enjoyed this video, do drop a like, subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.